So what is this Kundalini Yoga? For a person who's never experienced it, because we have audience in 139 countries. And for some of them, this word is Greek and Latin. What exactly is this Kundalini Yoga and how did it transform you?
Before I tell you what it is, let me tell you what it is not.
Okay.
Okay, it's not these two serpents, lying dormant at the base of your spine, and you activate them and they start coming up your Shushumna and all that mumbo jumbo. This is not what I teach. This is not what Kundalini Yoga is all about. Kundalini Yoga is the science of healing yourself, of trauma, of pain, of grief, sorrow, anger, what I had. The Kundalini Yoga is a science where you heal your soul. You detoxify the soul. Ayurveda, you detoxify the body. And the next step is you go to Kundalini Yoga and detoxify the soul. When the soul is healed, and the healing, the modalities are so easy. It's not that you have to take your leg and put it behind your neck, then, take that other leg and put it behind your neck, then you have to put your hand. You don't have to do all that. It's simple mudras, simple, chanting, kriyas, very easy, very doable. And in that process, you come to a stage and space where you really see life clearly for the first time in your life. So Kundalini Yoga, to answer your question now, is that it's a science which heals you. It could happen to, like this girl in one class, it happened to many people in just one session. It happened to some people after 10 sessions, after 20 sessions. For me, it took 26 days. In between, there were so many revelations, so many things I saw clearly for the first time in my life. But it's a science which is deep, which is powerful, easy to do. It's simple, it's doable. You just need 1 hour a day. And that too not every day. Beyond a point, I don't do it now. I do it when I need it. I know when my body is asking for that soul detox, I know it.
Like I can visualize you going through those 26 days as a Kundalini Yoga teacher training, candidate. All the shackles around you that the society had put, you were unlocking the shackles. And every time you were releasing it, tears were probably flowing out of your eyes because you were finally free as a human. So from the way you've transformed, and also I've seen you in person in the last 5 years, go through a physical transformation as well. Like you have reversed diseases that doctors said was not possible.
Yeah, the world's best, India's best said is not curable. Arthritis is not curable.
You have to live with it.
You have to live with it. And he's telling me, I can't name the doctor, but he's India's number one. And the most expensive, number one, everything, all the flowering, and he says, now you can't play badminton for the rest of your life. I love badminton. Said you can't run for the rest of your life. You can't do yoga for the rest of your life. Now, most people would have been shattered.
Yeah.
Like, I looked at him, I started laughing. I said, what are you saying? I said, I'll do all this and show you. Now I play tennis for 2 hours.
Look at that.
And then I can go after that immediately and do gym for an hour. And I swim. Sometimes I spend the whole day doing all this.
Yeah.
And what happened to my arthritis? Where is it gone? Where is it gone? And they all say arthritis is not curable. Eczema is not curable. It's an autoimmune disease. Everything can be cured.
Oh gosh, I agree with you.
Everything can be cured. What is death? What is, you don't die of old age. You know that? You die of the diseases that come with old age.